Eating chicken every day can have various effects on your body, both positive and negative, depending on several factors, such as portion size, preparation methods, overall diet, and individual health conditions. Here are some potential effects. Number 1. Protein intake. Chicken is a good source of high-quality protein, essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. Number 2. Muscle growth and maintenance. The protein in chicken helps in muscle development and maintenance, making it beneficial for those who are active or engage in strength training exercises. Number 3. Amino acids. Chicken provides essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are important for various bodily functions, including neurotransmitter production and hormone regulation. Number 4. Weight management. Chicken can be a part of a balanced diet for weight management, as it is relatively low in fat and calories compared to some other protein sources. However, the way it's prepared can impact its overall healthiness. Number 5. Vitamins and minerals. Chicken contains important vitamins and minerals, like B vitamins, phosphorus, and selenium, which are essential for metabolism, bone health, and immune function. Number 6. Cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of chicken, especially if it includes the skin and is prepared in a way that adds unhealthy fats, can contribute to increased cholesterol levels. Opting for lean cuts and healthier preparation methods can mitigate this effect. Number 7. Saturated fat. Chicken, especially dark meat and processed chicken products, can contain saturated fat, which in excess can negatively impact heart health and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 8. Digestive health. Chicken can be easily digested and may be gentle on the digestive system, making it suitable for those with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues. Number 9. Foodborne illnesses. Consuming undercooked or contaminated chicken can lead to foodborne illnesses caused by bacteria like Salmonella or Campylobacter, resulting in symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. Number 10. Antibiotics and additives. Depending on the source and production methods, chicken may contain antibiotics or additives that were administered to the poultry. Overconsumption of antibiotics can contribute to antibiotic resistance, which is a growing public health concern. Number 11. Environmental impact. The excessive consumption of chicken and other meats can have environmental consequences, such as greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution associated with industrial poultry farming. Number 12. Allergies. Some individuals may have allergic reactions to chicken proteins, which can range from mild symptoms like hives and itching to severe reactions like anaphylaxis. It's important for individuals with known allergies to avoid chicken and related products. Number 13. Potential carcinogens. High-temperature cooking methods like grilling or frying can produce chemicals called heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which are potential carcinogens. It's advisable to use healthier cooking methods like baking, steaming, or boiling. Number 14. Bone health. Chicken contains phosphorus and calcium, which are vital for bone health. However, excessive consumption of phosphorus, especially in processed chicken products, may disrupt the calcium-phosphorus balance and negatively affect bone health. Number 15. Hydration and sodium levels. Processed and seasoned chicken products may be high in sodium, which can lead to increased blood pressure and water retention. Maintaining adequate hydration is important to offset the potential sodium intake.